Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your MacBook Neo. To update software on your device, you're gonna have to navigate to the Wi-Fi first and make sure that you are connected to the internet. If you are not connected via the Ethernet cable, of course. After that, open the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, go to System Settings, go to General, and select Software Update. And here, your device will automatically proceed to check for available updates. And if it finds anything, then it will let you know and you'll be able to proceed in the same menu. You can also manually check for updates by clicking Check for Updates once again. Besides, to make sure that your security is also updated, go to Privacy and Security menu on the sidebar, scroll down to Background Security Improvements, and make sure to enable this feature, as it will prevent your MacBook for potential malware and bugs, even if no major update is released for MacBooks. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.